Hi, I'm Katie Collins, Parks Technician with the City of Fort Collins Parks Department. As spring bulbs are blooming, trees are leafing out, and as your lawn starts to turn green, you're probably thinking about turning on your sprinkler system. Before you let that system go for the rest of the season, make sure to do an irrigation wet check. Wet checks are a great way to save money and water. A well-operating pop-up sprinkler head puts out a uniform spray pattern. In a well-designed system and in a perfect world, the spray from one head should hit the next closest head, thus providing what irrigation geeks call head-to-head coverage. This is what makes green and happy grass. When one or more of the heads on your system is malfunctioning, this is what could cause brown spots. Instead of adding more minutes onto the zone to try to solve those brown spots in a pinch, do an irrigation wet check. Turn on each station for 2 minutes and check for malfunctions. These are some of the common problems you might encounter. Look for crooked heads. A crooked head distributes water unevenly. This could be caused by a mower, traffic, or a tree root, for example. Dig up the head, reposition it, and place it back in the ground so the top surface of the head is level with the ground. Look for broken heads. You'll recognize a broken head when you see a geyser spouting out of the center of your lawn. These are huge water wasters. To repair this, remove the head and replace it with a head of the same manufacturer as the other heads on the zone. Look for clogged heads. Clogged heads may dribble or not put out any water at all. Unscrew the nozzle, remove the filter, and replace both the nozzle and filter. Checking your irrigation system every few weeks during the growing season is a great way to solve water wasting problems at the source. For more system diagnostics and for help scheduling your irrigation controller to help you save water and to fulfill your plant's needs, consider scheduling a free irrigation audit with Fort Collins Utilities. Speaking of Fort Collins Utilities, I am very excited to be applying for the position of Water Conservation Coordinator. I have a horticulture degree from CSU, and I believe it has set me up for success in the roles that I've held as a horticulturist. Since 2006, I have worked for the City of Fort Collins Parks Department, and since then, I have gained experience and expertise in horticulture and irrigation techniques. That includes installation and maintenance of water-wise landscapes. I have built and currently manage the Enhanced Medians program in the Parks Department. I get to work with contractors and project managers on city landscape projects. I review plant lists and plant layouts and make suggestions. I inspect plant material and irrigation, and I help see projects through to completion to be sure that landscape components have been installed correctly. I also want to mention the plant science internship I did at Walt Disney World. I picked up a lot of great customer service skills while I was there. I led daily tours discussing horticultural concepts with large groups of people, and I also successfully assisted very happy and very unhappy people on a daily basis. If chosen as Water Conservation Coordinator, I'd be very excited to work with homeowners, giving them the tools they need to create and maintain sustainable landscapes that save water and money. I'd also be very excited to build relationships, internal and external to the city organization. This is an area where I have excelled in my current position, and I look forward to bringing those strengths and relationships to this position.